Hello cutie, welcome back to day 5 of our twerk challenge. This is the last and final day of our twerk choreo tutorial week, I would say. We have learned 4 moves so far: a whine while going down, a jiggle, an advanced jiggle from down to up and up to down. We have done a twerk on all 4s, and we have bounced down while walking back. Today, we're incorporating all of these in the full choreo. My name is LiliJasmijn. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do so and like this video if you want to see more of this, and then hop right in. So the beginning of the choreo is, like I said, the whine while going down. So let's rewind and do that. No pun intended. 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're here or here, wherever you picked. Then you jump back. This is surprise attack, so I actually expect you to jump up and back. Make sure that your knees are straight. That's 1, 2. She says, and stop, something like that. So that's 1, stop. Then you have right, right, left, left. Yes, you just, I'll show you like this. You just bend, 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 bend. While you do that, make sure that you don't have a round back, because this doesn't look cute, does it? So make sure that your belly button's to the floor and your back's nice and hollow while you drop, 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 drop. Then we crisscross jump, ta, ta. And while the second jump, so ta, we look over our left shoulder. Yeah, so that is, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Yes, I don't care if your right is in front or your left, my right will be in front. Ta, and 7. 8, again, is nothing. Then we have right, right. This is not the same as the twist that we've done in a few choreos before. This is actually right, right, left, left. So you actually bring your booty to the side, side, side. So right, right. Try to still look over your shoulder while you do this, so over your left shoulder. Right, right, left, left. Then we bring our right in and we turn 90-degree angle and we step it out, and then we dive down. It's kind of like your head goes first and you're kind of diving under a fence or whatever, prickly bushes. So let's do it from the jump, because I'm not gonna make you whine 1,000 times. We are here. We had 5, 6, 7, 8. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then comes our bounce and walk back. So we have right first. There we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Then in the music, the coming 4 little sequences are boom, 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 boom. So the first one is always the hardest one. I want you to do that in your movement as well. So make sure that the first move you do of all these sequences is like, bam, nice and explosive. The first of the sequences is up, 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 up. So the first one goes up, and then you come down a little bit while you do 3 more slow and tiny bounces up, but they are there. They're still there. So we had the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and jump, jiggle, jiggle. That's our jiggle. If you want, you can jump, jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. So you come up. Then again, we jump, jump. We come down, and we put our hands on the floor. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have our whine on all 4s. 5, 6, 7, 8. And then to come out of it gracefully, we go right, left. You can bend your right leg a little bit so that you don't overstretch your hamstrings. Right, left, and then you scoop out of it well. Gently caressing your legs. Let's try this from, where should we do it from? Let's do it from here. So we had just stepped out, we come under the fence, and then we walk back. So 5, 6, 7, 8, we have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and ta, 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 and ta, 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 and ta, 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 and ta, do, 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 and come out and scoop it out. Whee! Yes, let's do the full thing with the line one more time. If you felt like this went really fast, you can always pause, rewind, rewatch, and try it again after with me. So let's go from the beginning, turn around. Actually, you can keep facing me. I will turn around so you can see it. 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and ta, 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 and ta, 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 and ta, 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 and jump out, come up, and done. I hope that worked for you. Let me know in the comments how it went. If you want to see the full thing with music, I'll put it somewhere up in the screen right now, and it will also be in the description. So if you can't find it, go there. Let me know what you thought. If you have any videos of you doing it, feel free to send it to me on Instagram or wherever you want to connect. If you haven't subscribed, this is your moment. This is it. Please do it now, and then I will see you back for another video, another tutorial, or another challenge.